Emifenac 50 DT effervescent tablets are designed to provide rapid relief from a range of painful conditions, including toothaches, headaches, and other nerve-related pains. Priced at 23.35 SAR for a pack of 20 tablets, these can be ordered for fast delivery within 30 to 60 minutes from the nearest pharmacy. The active ingredient, diclofenac, is a nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID, that works by inhibiting prostaglandins, substances in the body responsible for inflammation and pain. This makes Emifenac tablets especially effective for myriad pain indications, including rheumatoid arthritis, severe migraines, fever, and pain from dental or surgical procedures. To use, dissolve 1 tablet in a quarter cup of water, consuming immediately after it dissolves. It is best taken an hour after meals to minimize possible gastric side effects. The standard adult dosage ranges from 25 mg to 50 mg 3 times per day, with a daily maximum of 150 mg. While Emifenac is beneficial for many, it is not suitable for everyone. Pregnant women should avoid it, especially if beyond 20 weeks pregnant, unless under medical advice. Breastfeeding women and children under 12 should also abstain unless prescribed by a doctor. Emifenac usually does not cause drowsiness, but common side effects can include stomach upset. For those unable to use Emifenac, alternative pain relief options for migraines such as Cataflam, Adiaflam, Dalvik, Fastflam, or Emifenac may be considered. Additionally, the pricing of Emifenac for dental applications may vary, estimated at 18.85 SAR, though subject to changes based on pharmacy pricing. Emifenac's benefits extend to relieving pain due to sciatica, menstrual cramps, and sinusitis-related inflammation. However, it should not be used as a treatment for hemorrhoids, and its safety for pregnant individuals is not guaranteed. In summary, Emifenac 50 DT tablets offer an effective and rapid solution for pain management, but should be used with consideration to its side effects and contraindications.